weighs 700 tons, the weight of 3 jumbo jets, and it must be removed in a mere 21 days. This is an unprecedented repair job. And the rig can only be lifted in perfectly calm conditions. Woody's going to need an awesome lifting machine, and that's what's just arrived. It's called the Heerema. It's a giant crane barge owned by the Dutch company Heerema, who've rushed it 5,000 miles from Holland to the US. With a deck area the size of 4 football fields, it's one of the 2 biggest industrial barges in the world. Its 2 gargantuan cranes are 370 feet long and can lift the average US Navy warship. But the hurricane destruction means the Heerema is in big demand. Shell only has it for 3 weeks. Which means Woody and his team will have to complete the job in just 21 days. Maneuvering the Heerema into place is a big deal. To accurately position the barge, its crew lay out 12 deep sea anchors in a circle around it.
The ship will be always in the middle and the anchors will be all the way around. So we are more or less like a spider in a web.
Once the anchors are set, the barge is secured to the platform. The first important job is to weld giant steel handles onto the broken drilling rig so that cranes can lift it off the platform. But the stress is not over yet. They need a minimum of 8 hours to lift the rig from the Mars platform and place it onto the giant lifting barge. The Heerema's super cranes are moved into position. The precision of this lift is crucial. The 2 cranes will have to lift the rig in perfect synchronization. From these cameras placed beneath the rig, the team will monitor every painstaking step of its extraction. The riggers attach the lifting ropes to the crane's hooks. These are 10-inch thick solid steel cables. Once these lifting slings are attached, the team on Crane 1 clear the area. On Crane 2, the team attach a spreader bar. This massive 60-foot steel rod separates the lifting ropes so that they hang vertically. This controls the angle at which the rig is raised. With both cranes connected, they start taking the weight of the rig. This is the ultimate test of those long-delayed welds on the lifting handles. Each of the welds must be strong enough to hold a weight equivalent to a Boeing 747. The final bolt is cut. The cranes now have total control of the rig. 700 tons hangs in the balance.
Go ahead, Peter.
The cranes start to pull the rig from the platform. If the cranes go out of synchronization now, The rig could be forced off balance, smashing the production equipment beneath it to pieces. Just a slight error is enough to send 700 tons crashing down. At last, the rig breaks free. Now the barge comes into its own. Its specialized anchoring system slowly draws the giant barge back from the platform. With the rig suspended above the water, it's time for a tricky maneuver. One of the cranes now lets go of the load, leaving the entire 700 tons in the other crane's arms. It has the task of lowering the rig onto the barge. It takes an hour to do just that.